sturdy. I feel be a warrior, me say you can't act nerdy. Guinea stay. Life can be a lonely road. Me try the theater, me not step without. And you see anytime me stepping out.
Bless up on the sell my viewers and subscribers. I don't know the thing, but this is New Link from New Link Production. Well, people, you hear that song? Well, the artist who sing that song goes by the name of Focus People. And New Link feature the artist already when it comes to boom and do all raw footage of them sing the Corona song. You know what I mean? People are big bad song. Them want to say, Corona, come and get bad on me. Well, people, you see that song, that one name Lonely wrote. And at this, New Link are really focused on, but New Link are show you how the artist versatile and the different flavor with the artist got. So this artist have several different tunes back in belt. Cause people must say, one tune Focus got. No, the man out the long time, a whole heap of song the man have. Well, people, here what I go now. Me going to make it hear the piece of the original video to the man. Because the man comes up and does reverse and do him real video now when the people on the Corona get bad and mean thing. I'm going to see a look of peace side people. I don't understand when New Link got talk about. So watch that piece of clip.
Corona take over, get madam mean. So the place locked down, straight quarantine. This brother same bad, him now go in and Jamaica phone call. Squaddy go for him. Me have a split, me about feel like curfew.
So me I telling about people. This man come and the man drop him thing and the man talented. You know what I mean? Me tell us say, you see the artist and why New Link work with this artist people. The man can write song together. The man can put lyrics together. And the man have this artist look everything about him. Because New Link see the artist before people, you know what I mean? But differently, me know say I saw the artist but I say I can't put him up. Me see, you know what I mean? I say, yo, the artist saying sound good. But when New Link say the man comes up, when the man cut the Corona, make the Corona thing comes up, boom, and Corona bother I mean, and then me see the man comes and drop the original video people. The artists definitely need a platform in the dancehall. The artists definitely have a spot in the dancehall people. And that's why New Link have to push them out. Say, yo, I go on people. Me, I leave the link them to the two songs them below the video. You understand? Lonely Road and the next one named Corona get what I mean people because I want to check out these two songs them people. And what I want to do, you know, people, subscribe to this artist YouTube channel. You know what I mean? Subscribe to him Vivo Team people because yo, we are gonna send them artists here road. Focus people. I mean I tell us the artist right now based over in a US people but is a Jamaican and the man a do him thing good and the man a travel back and forth regular on a regular basis people. So I tell us yo, the man comes out with the other and thing and the man wants to the best in Jamaica. Come support the artist. Focus. Send him a roll. Attack Focus. Me I left now with the next piece of the clip people before me go. Check out that piece. I'm gone out.
From when there dog. You know from 89 there. No 2020. First me ever see them things still in the dark. Corona take over, get madam mean. So the place locked down, straight quarantine. This brother same bad, him now go in and Jamaica couple call. Squaddy go for him. Me ever split me about feel like curfew so we can't go out tonight. Gone in a me house and hug me wife. Protect me 3 points, me lovely life. Traveling ban, everything stagnant. Pick me in a house, can't go outside, go around. Mama can't post a letter, she can't buy a stamp. She get the pension, but she can't go a bank.